Hello, I am the old mechanic and welcome back in my shed. Still busy on the Kawasaki, the Z650. And today I'm going to show you how to adjust the chain slack. Is that difficult? Nah. Already got a plate over here, so I would say come on over and we start. Guys, to measure the slack of the chain, the bike needs to be on its side stand. And if you have a close look, this is way too much play. It needs to be in between 20 and 30 mil. So we're gonna loosen the rear axle and we're gonna start. First we're gonna get this, I think it's called a cotter pin, out. I'm gonna clean it a bit because it's all dirty. There is some markings should be over here, but barely can see them. So let's do that first with a bit of petrol. Now that already looks a bit better. So I'm gonna do the other side too. So, to get that, yeah, we call it split pen. Now it's easy. First, get it together like this, then so, okay. Oop. Yep. Then grab it with pull it a bit upwards, grab it like this. Take a hammer and hoppa, you have it out. One. Guys, with this I'm gonna put the bike on its front brake. It's a rubber band. Socket 27. A breaker bar. And then up, loosen the axle. Up. Okay. Yes. This is a bit flimsy Kawasaki. Then loosen those two nuts. It's 12 and 14. Up. Loosen them. Okay, on the other side we're gonna do the same. We're gonna tighten it. Better Okay, almost 2. Here it was not in straight. Nice. Up. Again a bit. Let's see. Yes. Now we're gonna measure it. Hopefully you can see it. Put your ruler somewhere there. The chain, the upper of the chain is now from 2 centimeters to 6. So it's 4. And it needs to be in between 20 and 30. So now we're going this side a bit. Have a look. 2 over here. Yes, also on 2. Now let's see. Somewhere here. 2, 5.5. I'm gonna aim for 2.5. So it needs to be a bit tighter. So you can see the chain going up. This side too. Let's have a look. Just to. Yep. Somewhere there, somewhere in the middle. It's 2. No, it's still a bit tighter. With tiny bit. So the chain going up, up. Over there too. And again, let's see. It's now 2.5 to 5.5. Dus there is 1, 2, 3. It's now on 3. And I like to have it a tiny bit tighter. Watch. See? Okay, let's see that. Guys, I think this, see, it was slamming against this rear bridge. Achterbrug, 2.5 to 5. 2.5. Now it's perfectly in the middle. It's good. The slack is now perfect. We're gonna torque at the rear axle. 108 Newton meters. And that's, okay, let's see, 108, wait a minute, that's 98. Okay, over there plus 10. Yep. Okay. Yes. Okay, and it is perfect in a hole, as we're gonna renew this one. Mark it, torqued, then this one. Okay, over there, that's good. Let's just tighten it a tiny bit and then lock it with a smaller other side we're going to do the same. First this, then this one, the locking nut. Okay. Torqued, tightened. It's a bit long. Put it like this or like this. I like to put it like that. And then this one. This up. And got it. Up. Yes. Too. I'm gonna cut it because it's a bit too long. Oh, wait a minute. Like this. Oh. And look. Now guys, watch. Got a pin like this. And these are the markings. So we go to the other side. See? See the slack a bit better. Much better. Okay. As you know by now, hopefully, if you watch my channel, you know your torque wrench, screw it all the way out. And this is a free play, and then screw it in, and here it starts a drag. You feel tension, and that's just in that tension. Hang it back in your shed or put it in your toolbox. I hang it back in my shed. Now I'm gonna clean the mess I've made. See you in a moment. So guys, that was my video. How to adjust your chain. The slack was it difficult? Can you do it? Yes, of course. With my video, few tools, I will link them in the description below. So click on it, you're helping my channel. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, subscribe to my channel. Costs nothing, it's free. You can always unsubscribe. Also for free. Give me a thumbs up, that's good for the YouTube algorithm. And I hope to see you the next time. Old Mechanic.